Today I will show you how to fix an error that occurs during the installation of Windows 11 on an unsupported computer or laptop. At one of the steps, the installer says, "This computer does not currently meet the system requirements for Windows 11. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix this error and successfully install Windows 11 on an unsupported PC. So, I connected a bootable Windows 11 USB drive to my computer and booted the computer from this USB drive. The installation menu will open, and here we see a completely new design. I'm not changing anything here. Next. Next. You need to check the box here. Next. Here you need to enter the activation key. I already had Windows 10 installed on my computer with a license, so I don't need to enter a product key and the new Windows 11 will be activated automatically. I click, I don't have a product key. At this point we need to stop the installation and open a command prompt to make some changes to the registry editor, but if you go ahead and click, Next, then a window will open with a message about an error installing Windows 11. And the only thing you can do here is click, Close, and this will reboot the computer. And so, I move back to the window where you need to select the desired edition of Windows. It is at this stage of the installation that you need to press the Shift and F10 keys on the keyboard at the same time, and this will immediately open the command prompt. In the command prompt type command, regedit, and press Enter. In the window that opens, open the section, HKey Local Machine, then, System. After that, click, Setup, and right-click on it. Select, Key. And name this directory, labconfig. Now, on the right, on an empty space, right-click, and select, DWORD, 32-bit, value. Name it, Bypass TPM Check. Then again, right-click on an empty space, select, DWORD, 32-bit, value. And name it, Bypass RAM Check. Create another parameter in the same way. Name it, Bypass Secure Boot Check. Now double-click each parameter, and set the value of all three parameters, 1. Close the registry, close the command prompt, and we return to the page to select the required Windows edition. To keep your Microsoft license, you must install the same edition of Windows. If you had Windows Home, choose Windows 11 Home. If you had Windows Pro, choose Windows 11 Pro. This way you will keep your Microsoft license. Next. I accept the terms of the license. In this window, we see all the partitions and drives connected to the computer. Here I have a partition with the old Windows 10 and 4 small system partitions. To install the new Windows correctly, all these sections must be deleted. To do this, I mark each section, and click, Delete. All old partitions have been removed. There is one partition left with unallocated territory and my USB flash drive. Next. You can now proceed with installing Windows 11 on your computer. Click, Install. We won't have to do anything for a while, the computer will automatically reboot several times. Windows 11 installation will continue as usual. You can watch a more detailed video about how to create a bootable USB flash drive and how to install Windows 11 on an unsupported PC by following the link in the description of this video. Have a nice day everyone.